all, this is Laura, and I want to show you what's inside of this first box. Now, this is a box by with LaurelDenise planners. LaurelDenise is the name. My name is Laura, and I'm an affiliate of LaurelDenise, and that's how I was able to get these so quickly. And I want to show you what's inside of this first box. One of the big things is when you get your stuff, they'll come with a little receipt. I'm not going to show the receipt here because even though it doesn't have the prices on it, it does have my address. You want to make sure when you do this that you go through and you check off and make sure that everything is there. They're really good about making sure that everything's in your order, but just in the case, I would suggest doing that. Now, this box is unbelievable. All the boxes that I got are the same. This box is just beautiful. Look at what that looks like. So, Midsummer Night's Dream is on the top with all the different animals. And then inside you see all these different, they look like vases and with flowers. And it's like, oh my gosh, this is so perfect. This first one that I had, this was one of the accessories, and this is the to-do sticky note. And what's really cool about this is these sticky notes are, first of all, their sticky notes are unbelievable. They are so good. I actually have, here, I'll take this one down. This is this is the large one, and it shows the different days. And I actually took off the days, put them into little dots for each. And then I think I probably had that for at least a half a year now, and it's still sticking on my whiteboard. Okay, so this one, it has lines going down it. It's, not exactly huge. It's a small size, but it'll fit into the smaller planners, which is what I wanted. And as you can see here, it's a little bit over 2.5 inches. It's 2 3/4 inches. And this part here is a little over 2 inches, 2 1/8 of an inch. Okay, I did it really well. But I love how much the stickiness is. Look at that. So I'd say it's probably at least 25% stickiness. Yes. And so these will work really nicely. A planner. I would say that and this here is going to be a small planner. This planner here, as a matter of fact, is a rose. And all of them come with this beautiful tissue paper. I think it's kind of cool. And this is the rose. And oh my gosh, this rose kind of goes with the cover there. This is kind of like a turquoise, hard. But it is absolutely beautiful. And as a rose, this is the small rose. Wander within. Wander, like as though you're wandering around. Well, this is perfect because this is a 2027. I had the rose previously, and this is what I use for my traveling. And it's perfect that way. I actually go in and have it for almost like a little journal as well as for traveling. And so, like September, I'm going to be doing some traveling, and this will be perfect for next year where I plan on doing more traveling. As you can see, this is the inside. Oh, this pocket's nice. I can put my extra stickers there. And then you have your couple of pages, just like they show on the website, that sort of thing. And then you have your entire year here, and then it goes into January. And this is the actual view of it. It just has the month and then these 4 quadrants. And what I typically do is when I'm traveling, I might have, hotels, or I might have miles traveled, or if we're going for certain weeks, I would put that in. Stuff in the back. And then a beautiful back folder, gold foil at the back. So that is for 2027. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, bye-bye!